already gone, but stay like you belong right here. Every look you try to hide pulls me closer, pulls me near. We say this is nothing serious, but nothing hurts like this. When almost feels more real than a love we never kissed. We were almost stars, almost real, almost touching something we could feel. Almost stars, but we let it fade. Too afraid of love, we almost stayed. You say timing's not our friend, that life is moving way too fast. But when you're lying next to me, I forget the future, fear the past. Every night feels borrowed time, like we're stealing something true. If loving you is a mistake, why does it feel so right with you? We were almost stars, almost true, almost everything we never do, almost stars, but we let it slide. Too hard, scared to choose a side. Maybe in another world we don't let go this way, but here I just almost love, fading with the break, babe. You say you're fine, I know that look. Half closed doors we never shut. Every word is almost true.